I'm so sorry about that. Can we start again? There we go. We forgot to turn the camera on. Can you turn it off for me now? There's a little bit left on there. Can you turn it off? There. Oh, awesome. All right, I need you to turn it off for me. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Turn it off. Great job. You gonna play with us again? Can you turn it on? Can you turn it on, please? Just one more time. This last time, I'll stop asking. There you go. Awesome. Good and bright. All right. The camera's not letting me take a picture. There we go. Can you turn it off? And then we'll stop playing that game. Turn it off for me. Good job. I'm sorry, I was being rude. My name is Sean.
My name is Bill.
It's nice to meet you. Can you tell us your name? You can say it into that light that Bill is holding. Say your name nice and loud. That way we can understand you when we hook that up to our equipment. Do you know you're a spirit? What happened to you that made you a ghost? Do you know you belong in heaven and that's where you should be? Yeah? You belong in heaven, huh? You know Jesus is waiting for you. See that light? On a flashlight on the TV.
The red light. Ain't that from the camera? From this? Yeah.
God is waiting for you. You need to go home to Him. He will accept you with open arms. Like that flashlight, huh? You keep playing with it. Are you all done with us? Thank you so much for playing with us. Oh, you still want to play, huh? Is this the first time somebody's given you this much attention? Good job. Okay. I have no more questions for you. Do you have anything to say to us? Well, thank you very much. May God bless you. And thank you for spending a little time with us tonight. Shine on the flashlight. Shine on the flashlight. There's nothing wrong with the flashlight. It's a little turn screw, and if you touch it, it comes on. Touch it, it comes on. Turn it on, turn it off. It has fresh batteries in it. Okay.
Oh, my.
Well, let's turn the lights on.
How do you play this back?
I'll show you.
Yeah, Grucio!
I need Grucio to come out here. Anyways.